Do you know how efficient your building operates compared against the competition? Are you working hard to reduce your energy costs, yet unsure of your results? Get recognition for your hard work in saving energy and money from your building through the Environmental Protection Agency's Energy Star tools on Portfolio Manager. With Energy Star, you can measure, track, and rate the energy performance of your building. Creating an Energy Star score report on Portfolio Manager for your building is free. Assists you in providing its users with low cost / no cost energy efficiency tools. Energy Star gives you the power to share your profile, allowing you to demonstrate and benchmark the efforts you've made for saving energy and saving money. Over 30,000 properties across the United States are already Energy Star certified. For those looking to be certified, Energy Star will assist you in the application and verification process. Energy Star is an annual certification given to facilities that score 75 or higher out of a 100-point scale, available through Portfolio Manager, a source known for its credible, unbiased information. On average, an Energy Star certified building consumes about 35% less energy than a non-Energy Star certified building. Energy Star tools and resources can help like-minded businesses such as schools save energy, increase profits, and strengthen their competitiveness. By being an Energy Star certified building, customers and occupants will recognize the sustainable efforts and contributions made to an environmentally responsible building. Build a better future with Energy Star certified buildings. For more details, benchmarking, and Energy Star, please visit pentap.psu.edu or call Pentap at 814-865-0427.